Have you ever wondered how you could make your money work harder for you? How about turning your spare change into a significant investment portfolio? Well, today, we're going to dive into the world of Moka Investing, a platform that's making it easier than ever to invest, even if you're a complete beginner. Imagine you're saving up for a dream vacation, a new car, or perhaps a down payment on a house. Traditional savings accounts often don't offer the kind of returns you need to reach those goals. That's where Moka comes in. It's a digital investment platform that uses a unique approach called spare change investing to help you grow your wealth over time. How Moka Investing works. So, how exactly does it work? Let's break it down step by step. Linking your bank account. The first thing you'll need to do is link your bank account to the Moka app. This is a secure process that ensures your funds are always safe. Setting your investment goals. Once your account is linked, you'll be asked to set your investment goals. This could be anything from saving for a specific event to building a long-term retirement fund. Choosing your investment strategy. Moka offers a variety of investment strategies to suit different risk tolerances and time horizons. You can choose from conservative, moderate, or aggressive options. Moka's automatic investment. Here's where the magic happens. Moka uses a technique called spare change investing to automatically invest your spare change. This means that whenever you make a purchase with your linked bank account, Moka rounds up the amount to the nearest whole number and invests the difference. Diversification and rebalancing. Moka's investment strategies are designed to be diversified, meaning your money is spread across a variety of assets to minimize risk. The platform also regularly rebalances your portfolio to ensure it remains aligned with your investment goals. Benefits of Moka Investing. Accessibility. Moka makes investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial knowledge or experience. Affordability. With Moka's spare change investing feature, you can start investing with as little as a few cents at a time. Convenience. The Moka app is easy to use and allows you to track your investments in real time. Security. Moka prioritizes the security of your funds and uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal information. Professional management. Moka's investment strategies are managed by experienced professionals who have a deep understanding of the financial markets. Common questions about Moka Investing. Is Moka Investing safe? Yes, Moka is a regulated platform that adheres to strict security standards. How long does it take to see results? The time it takes to see results depends on your investment strategy and market conditions. However, consistent investing over time can lead to significant growth. Can I withdraw my money at any time? Yes, you can withdraw your funds from Moka at any time. However, there may be fees associated with early withdrawals. Is Moka Investing suitable for everyone? Moka is generally suitable for most people who want to invest their money. However, it's important to consider your risk tolerance and financial goals before making a decision. Moka Investing is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. By taking advantage of spare change investing and professional management, you can grow your wealth over time. So, if you're looking for a simple and effective way to invest your money, Moka is definitely worth considering. Ready to start investing with Moka? Download the app today and take the first step towards financial freedom. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.